Every single week, I get messages from my subscribers and AIML beginners on my Telegram group. Akash, I want to get into AI, but I don't know where to start from. Akash, I am from Tier 3 college. Do I even have a chance? I am from mechanical engineering or any non CS core branch. Can I switch to AI? And there is so much content online, I am more confused than before. I get a lot of queries like this. And honestly, these are not unique questions. I have heard every single one of these dozens of times. Some of you have even asked me the same question twice, and I get it. I was in that exact spot a few years ago, and that's why I decided to record this video. So today I am going to destroy, not answer, destroy the 7 most common confusions that are holding back every AI ML beginner. And I mean it. If you watch this video till the end, you will walk away with more clarity than 90% of people who have been researching AI careers for months. Just straight talk from someone who went from mechanical engineering to AI. So let us start and clear all confusions. The first confusion is about the job roles in AI. Here is something most beginners don't even realize is a problem, and that is what makes it dangerous. And I have been repeating this thing in most of my videos. You say, I want to get into AI. Great. But AI is not one job, it is an entire industry. Data analyst, data engineer, data scientist, ML engineer, AI engineer. These are very different roles with a very different day to day work, very different skill requirements, and very different career paths. And most of you are preparing for AI like it is one thing. You are randomly watching tutorials, picking up random skills with no idea which role those skills actually lead to. Now, look, I'm not saying you need to decide your exact role on day one. That is unrealistic, of course. When you are just starting, you probably cannot decide, and that is okay. Because the good news is the foundational skills are common across most of these job roles: Python, SQL, math, statistics. You need these regardless. But here is what I am saying: at least have a map of the landscape, know what roles exist, know how they are different, know what each one leads to, so that as you learn, you can start gravitating towards the one that excites you. Don't walk into a building blindfolded. At least look at the floor plan first. I have made a detailed video breaking down exactly how these roles are different, what each one does, what skills you need for those roles, everything. So go watch that video. Link is in the description of this video. Now, next confusion is, I am from a core branch, non-CS branch. Can I even switch? This one I hear constantly. I am from non-CS core branch. Can I switch to AI? And sometimes I have seen even CS students worrying about if they can enter AI domain. And every time I read these messages, I smile a little because I literally did the same thing. I was mechanical engineering student, not CS, not IT, pure core branch. And I made the switch to AI. Went through the same confusion, same doubts, same am I too late feeling that you are going through right now. So when I tell you it is possible, I am not saying it from some textbook. I am saying it because I lived it. I did it. Was it easy? No, you have to build your fundamentals from scratch. Python, math, machine learning. While your base mates are doing something completely different, it can feel lonely sometimes, but the path is straightforward if you just keep moving. I actually made a full video covering my complete journey, how I transitioned from mechanical to AI. What I did step by step, what worked, what did not. If you are from a non-CS background, that video is basically made for you. Link for that video is again given in the description. Now, next confusion is, I am from tier 2 or 3 college. Do I even have a chance? I get this one so much. One student literally asked me this question 3 separate times because his friends kept telling him tier 2, tier 3 students don't get picked. Companies only want IITs and NITs. Let me be blunt here. That is the complete nonsense. Is there a bias? Sure. Sometimes does it make your path slightly harder? Maybe for some specific companies in some specific hiring rounds. But does it mean you have no chance? Absolutely not. I am putting some links to LinkedIn profiles in description of this video where people from tier 2 and 3 colleges are working in AI roles at big MNCs or startups. These are not aliens from another planet. They are regular students who focused on skills instead of crying about their college name. They built projects, they cracked interviews on merit. They are sitting in the same office as IIT graduates, doing the same work, getting the same salary. And there are lakhs of engineers in this country or worldwide, and not all of them are IITians, right? Or most of them are from tier 2 and tier 3 college only. So the next time your friends tell you tier 3 students don't have a chance, send them this video. Don't listen to such baseless things and just focus on your work. Your college name gets you through the first filter of some companies, but your skills get you through everything else. And guess what? Most of the AI hiring market, especially startups, does not even have that college filter. They look at your GitHub, your projects, your interview performances. Now, if you want to go deeper into this whole college degree and AI conversation, I have made a detailed video on whether these AI/ML degrees from colleges are even worth it. Check it out. Now, next is confusion 4. How do I stand out? What should I do different to just be the best among all AI/ML aspirants? Okay, so this one I need to be real with you about. I get messages like, how do I stand out in AI/ML? Everyone is learning the same things. What should I do different? I would say first start learning. That is the smartest thing you can do right now if you are a beginner. Friend, you are trying to run before you have learned to walk. So, listen to me. Standing out is a level 5 problem. You are at level 0. The way you stand out right now is by starting. That is it. Just start. Learn Python, learn SQL, understand statistics, build your first machine learning model. When you actually start doing these things, then path to standing out becomes obvious. Then you will realize, oh, everyone trains models, but nobody deploys them. So let me learn deployment. You will think, oh, most students have Titanic dataset projects. Let me build something on real world data. But that realization only comes after you start, not before. You can't read a menu from outside the restroom. So I have shared exactly what industry ready AI coding looks like in my videos and what projects actually helped me land internships in these videos. So check them out once you have actually started learning. The links to all these videos is given in the description. Now the confusion 5. There is too much content, I don't know where to start from. Now this one I completely understand because it's a real problem. You open YouTube, 500 roadmap videos, you open Google, top 10 courses for AI. Then you open LinkedIn and everyone is sharing different advice. One person says start with math, another says jump straight into projects. Someone says do Andrew Ng's code, someone else says it is outdated. And you are sitting there with 47 browser tabs open and zero clarity. So the issue is not lack of information. The issue is lack of structure. You don't need more content. You need a roadmap, a clear step by step. Do this first, then this, then this. Path that is tailored to where you are right now. And this is exactly why I built something. I created a platform called Concepts of AI at conceptsofai.in, where you can generate a personalized roadmap based on your current skills for data scientist and machine learning engineer role. Not some generic learn Python then learn ML advice, an actual personalized plan. So go to conceptsofai.in, generate your roadmap and stop scrolling through random videos hoping something clicks. The link is in description. First thing you do after this video. And if you want my detailed roadmap in video format, then I have already made one complete ML roadmap from scratch with a free Excel planner you can download. Now, next confusion is I have started 5 courses and finished none. Oh, this one, the silent killer of AI careers. You bought 3 Udemy courses during a sale, watched 2 video playlists till video 4, started Andrew Ng's course twice, started a Kaggle competition, opened the dataset, looked at it and closed the laptop. Sound familiar, right? If you are one of them, put it in the comment section. Yeah, you are stuck in tutorial hell. Here is the rule. One resource at a time. Pick one course, one playlist, one roadmap and finish it. No switching after 3 days because someone on Reddit said another course is better. No starting a new tutorial because the current one got slightly hard. Consistency beats variety every single time. Set a simple rule for yourself. I will complete this thing before I start anything new. That's it. No exception. And if you don't know which resources to pick, use the roadmap I just mentioned on conceptsofai.in because now you are invested. You have skin in the game. Now the next confusion is I don't know what is happening in AI. The AI industry moves fast. What was in demand 6 months ago might be irrelevant today, and it is true. New frameworks, new tools, new model architectures, things change every single week. And if you are preparing for an AI career completely disconnected from what is actually happening in the industry right now, you are going to show up to interviews talking about skills nobody cares about anymore. So here is a non-negotiable thing. Get on LinkedIn. And I don't mean create an account and forget about it. I mean actively use it. Connect with people who are working in the role you want, like data scientists, ML engineers, AI engineers at real companies. Follow their posts, read what they are sharing, what tools are they talking about, what are companies hiring for, what projects are they working on. You can follow me on LinkedIn, and then you will get the relevant recommendations from the industry. You will absorb more about the real AI industry from 15 minutes of scrolling through relevant LinkedIn posts than from 5 hours of random YouTube videos. And later, when you are ready, those same connections become your path to internships and jobs. You can approach them, you can ask for referrals, your LinkedIn network becomes your career engine. And second thing, subscribe to a good AI newsletter, something that gives you a weekly digest of what is happening in the AI world. I would recommend checking out aimagazine.com. They cover industry trends, company updates, new tech. It takes 10 minutes a week to stay updated, no excuses. But be careful. Don't subscribe to multiple newsletters, otherwise you will get overwhelmed. So there you go. 7 confusions, all destroyed. But now let me tell you the real problem, and this one covers all 7. The real problem is not that you are confused. It is that you have made confusion your comfort zone. You are spending more time thinking about starting AI than actually starting AI. More time researching the best roadmap than following any particular roadmap. More time worrying about your college name than building skills that make your college name irrelevant. So here is what I want you to do. Not tomorrow, not after exams. Today. Pick one confusion from this video, just one, and take one action to solve it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to this channel, Concepts of AI. I make videos breaking down AI concepts, career advice, and everything you need to actually make it in this industry. Drop a comment below and tell me which confusion were you stuck on. I read every single comment, and if I see the same questions popping up again, I will make a video on it. So I will see you in the next one. Now go start.